One might wonder how you keep ducks and chickens in snow. Well, this is how. You gotta kind of shovel them out. Yes, this is the actual height turkey for scale. A lot of snow. Should I? Yeah, you guys want some more food? Hang on. We do kind of have to shovel them away to their water. Unless you want to put their water in their coop and food in their coop, which attracts rats, which attracts weasels. So they keep their food and water outside even all winter. And they have to come out of the coop and get some exercise every day. And get their food and their water. Can't just sit in the coop and be lazy birds. So, yeah, they're not very far from the coop door in case there's a hawk or an owl or whatever, but they got everything, and then they got their feeder over here. Right, Mr. Tur? Handsome guy. Yeah, so, hey, Buck. Good doggo. You guys being good dogs? Yeah. Okay. Oh, hi. How you guys doing? You're a little more reluctant to come out. Hey, you're out here a little. Can't really use that feeder right now, huh? Let's get you guys some food here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's like chickens aren't gonna like the snow, but they can deal with it, you know? There you go. Who's happy? Girls. Yeah. Happy girls. As long as they got plenty of bedding in their coop, some hay in their nesting boxes that they're not using because they're on break. Everyone's on vacation right now. No egg laying going on in this stuff. I mean, if you think about it from the bird standpoint, why would they want to try to have babies in the middle of the winter when it's freezing and uncomfortable, and it'd be hard for their offspring to survive, right? They're on break. Not feeling it in the egg laying department. So that's winter bird keeping. Just gotta keep an eye on water and make sure they're fed and have nice warm hay in their house. And keep the weasels out. Do goats like snow? The answer is no. But shoveling them a little path here, and they are coming out of their house. They're playing, they're butting each other, they're dealing. So yeah, goats don't have to be kept completely out of the snow. They can deal. I just put hay in the goat's house and outside. And as you can see, all of them were just out here checking this out. And some are staying out here to eat. Out here in, I don't know how many inches of snow. This is ridiculous. I mean, this is, wow. There's some serious snow here. Yeah, s'mores. Hey, be nice. Let her in. Come on. Jerk pants. Yeah, they're going back and forth. They're waiting for me to get their alfalfa pellets out. Staring down the dogs. Be right back with your goodies, girls.